fly will go down. It's the longest in the country. It's 75 metres.
blind people. See that red gooseberries in here. Dark gooseberry. See gooseberry?
Thank you.